Today I'm going to be talking about Heron Therapeutics, which is a biotech company currently valued at $3.50. First, I'm going to be going through a short list of the bull points and then afterwards the upcoming catalysts. So the first thing in the list that I want to talk about is the management changes. So bear in mind that this list is ordered. So this is what I think is the most important bull point for this company. And I really can't stress enough how much I do think this is the most important bull point. The CEO changed in 2023, and since then he's made multiple changes to the C-suite and the board, and you can really see the turnaround in the company. And if you don't believe me, go to this link to the proof and you can watch his investors conference. It's really quite impressive how he speaks, what his vision is for this company and what they've managed to achieve in this really short time. And I think this is why you can see that the stock price has changed significantly for this company. And on top of that, an inner bull point to this bull point is the insider buying. So when he came onto the team, him and the other C-suite members made significant purchases of the shares. But that shows me that he has not only significant faith in the company, but significant faith that he can continue to turn this company around. Okay, so next in the list is the Zenrelef potential. Now this is one of the drugs which has been FDA approved and is currently selling in the market. Now they believe that this could be worth or have a TAM of $2.39 billion, which is of course a significant amount of money and much more than what they are currently earning within the year. Now of course this is the TAM, so I'm not sure how much of that market they are going to be able to achieve, but they do think that this is the best available product currently on the market. So hopefully with time and the changes expected for this product, they should be able to get a significant amount of that market share. So next on the list is the Zenrelef growth. Now, although this hasn't been realized yet, as you can see from the inner bear point in this bull point, they have suggested that they are going to be doubling the amount of orthopedic users this year and then doubling that again next year, which is of course significant growth and will mean a lot for their bottom line. And then an inner ball point for this is their cross-link partnership. This is really quite significant actually. I can click into this one for a bit more information. And we can see here that in the first month of their partnership with Crosslink, they have doubled the amount of orthopedic surgeons per month that they are getting in. If they can keep this up, it's going to be a major turnaround for Zenrelef, and I'm looking forward to hearing how that's going to affect their next earnings report. So next on the list is the APONV potential. Now, APONV currently has only pulled in 500,000 in the last quarter, which obviously really isn't affecting the bottom line at this point. But they have said that the company believes that there is a $270 million opportunity here, which of course will have a significant effect on the share price if that were to be realized. And also they have been talking about the growth here, which is the next bull point in the list. So what they've done is changed the training for the sales force, and they've seen significant growth of over 50% in the last quarter, according to their investors presentation, and they're expecting this to continue. So next on the list is the Zenrelef development. And I think this actually goes back to the management changes, because before they had this product, Zenrelef, out in the market, and the uptake hasn't been anywhere near as strong as they thought it was going to be. And one of the problems that they identified, and with the new management are now set in place to change, is the delivery mechanism inside the surgeries. So at the moment they need 2 skilled members of staff to administer this drug, and in the future I do believe that they will still need these 2 skilled people, but the process won't really need training. They're saying that it's very intuitive, and there's much less steps that they would need to go through in order to do that, and they think that this is going to be a significant tailwind for the product, and I also believe that there is a tailwind here to be had for sure. And on top of that, they are developing as well a syringe, which they're expecting to be out in 2026. They're currently having some issues keeping the drug stable in those conditions, but they think they will have solved that by 2026, and they can just get a pre-filled syringe. Obviously, a skilled member of staff could administrate that without the other member of staff needing to worry about the sterile nature of this product. And I think this will improve the uptake of Zenrelef. So next in the list is the fact that the company is almost profitable. Now, when you see companies turn into profit, from what I've seen before, you normally get an uptick in the share price. Now, this might be temporal, and maybe this should be more of a catalyst than anything else, but I do think it should be something to watch out for. And then finally in the list, we have the opioid settlement or stewardship. Because of the opioid crisis that swept through the US, the government is now in a major push to reduce opioid use. And of course, Zenrelef is helping significantly with that. And on top of that, there's a recent settlement. I believe it's like 52 billion or something around that figure. And that is going to be used to promote non-steroid use. So this could be a major headwind for Zenrelef. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the ball points. And if I go to catalysts, we can see the next catalyst is going to be the Q2 earnings report, which is estimated to be around the 12th of August at 6:30. I think this is going to be a really important earnings report for this company. Basically, everything at the moment is in the investors' presentation, and I think a lot of people are waiting to see the financials to give that more credibility. Now, I don't think the company is exaggerating what it's done so far, but a lot of people count on the numbers, algorithms count on the numbers, so I do think this is going to be a significant catalyst for the company, and I would closely be watching the stock price around this time. Okay, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe if you'd like to see the bear points that I found for this company, and then I'll do an overall analysis at the end with some financial projections. Okay, hopefully see you in another video. Take care.